And we also caught up with Chulbul and Rajo, who seem to be having no problems keeping the romance alive post-marriage. Keeping the romance alive after marriage is very difficult. But you two look like... I'm not married. But yeah, but they say... but they say... But is it easy keeping the romance alive after marriage for Chulbul and the lovely Rajo?
For the Pandays?
Yeah.
I think nothing is difficult for Chulbul Pandey.
Interesting.
Yeah, I think...
No, we basically, this whole research was done because... Yeah, no, research, no, it's actually research. And we didn't have to go very far. We just had to look at Shatru Sahib and Poonam.
Yeah, actually, all the
romance.
In fact, my mom came when we were shooting Dagabaz, and she's sitting behind the monitor and she's telling him, "हाँ, ये सब expressions तो मेरे से ही सीखी है." My own mother is saying.
How many times does Pandey ji say "खामोश" to Mrs. Pandey, or is it the other way around?
No. Pandey ji has only said "खामोश" in the last shot of Dabang.
That is there.
Silence.
No. You said "खामोश" in the last shot of Dabang.
Yeah.
That's
No,
it.
you said "खामोश," I said "you खामोश."
Interesting. So what is the best and worst part? If we are asking Rajo this, what would she say is the best and the worst part of being married to Chulbul?
Being married to Chulbul Pandey. I think...
कि रात को कभी सोते नहीं?
Okay, we can't do that.
I will tell
It's an
you.
honest answer.
कि दिन में काम करते हैं नहीं? क्यों? इसे क्या आप थकते नहीं? रात को सोते ही नहीं?
Best part is that it's very romantic. All our songs have been very romantic and nicely shot and everything. And then one night he takes off and starts singing Fevicol with somebody else.
I know, that's very bad. Very bad behavior.
Very bad.
We cannot stick with that.
आदमी डांस नहीं सकता है करीना कपूर के साथ? शादी हो गई तो मतलब क्या है भाई? हाँ, शादी हो गई क्या? आपके पिछली वाली में मैंने बेली डांसर के साथ डांस किया था. इतना अलाउड है मर्दों को, इतना अलाउड है. करीना कपूर अलाउड है, करीना कपूर अलाउड है मर्दों को. अब बीवियां भी बोली चलो यार.
Kareena Kapoor, that's okay. It's fine. But tell me, you've said in one of your interviews that making a sequel is very difficult. How difficult was it to make Dabang 2?
अभी तो रिलीज के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि we've managed it like everybody manages to. If you're doing a sequel, you got a script, you manage to make the film, your film is complete, you're promoting the film. But when the film releases, you get to know how well or how badly you made the sequel. Now, इसका जवाब आपको 21 दिसंबर के बाद ही मिलेगा कि we are on the right track, we've done justice to the earlier film and more, or we've could not reach up to the expectations of the earlier one.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.